I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those. Well, it's been a rough couple days. I thought I could get this puzzle done on March the 10th and create the video for March the 11th, since I was trying to do a video a day of Canadian images. But it turns out it took me multiple days to finish the puzzle, and then I discovered a problem with my GoPro camera that I used to record the overhead time-lapse video. The camera was recording in real time and not a time-lapse, which meant I had to copy a large amount of data to my computer and then create the time-lapse in my video editing software, which probably took about 4 times longer than normal. Look who's here. Whoop. Hello, Juno. Hello. Oh, you're not real comfortable doing this, are you? No, well. So today's puzzle is a 1,000 piece jigsaw puzzle from Eurographics entitled Northern Lights. The image is of a photograph of a camp in the woods just outside of Whitehorse, Northwest Territories, with the amazing Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis, up in the sky. So let's do this. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.